Hey, you can get some subscribers here.
How many can we get?
I guess if you just keep pressing 1, you just keep getting subscribers.
Oh, why?
This is how I beat Nasrich. Today we're playing at an abandoned prison with Clean Shot in the Netherlands. This is part 1 of my European trip. This game is hosted by TSO in the sick abandoned prison, guys. It's going to be intense. And you can find out how at the end of the video to win this shotgun. That's right, the one touched by me. You can win that, and it can be all yours. This game, I'm also using a Daytona. That's right, Dayton is using a Dayton. This gun is intense, guys. Just listen to this. Is that not crazy? So yeah, you guys are really going to enjoy this video. Lots of close-up stuff, and you can find out how at the end of the video to win this sick shotgun. Let's get into the gameplay.
3, 2, 1, go!
Watch right side. Okay, you go left. 1, 2, 3.
Ja, ze zitten er boven, pas op. Boven.
Okay, go. Okay. How does it look? Scary? So at the start of the day, I was told that I'm not allowed to open any doors in the prison, but they didn't exactly say anything about closing them.
Alright. Do you have a name?
Come up.
That ain't gonna allow.
They said no opening, not no closing. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Go, shoot. Are you dead? No. Are you alive? Hey, are you alive? Oh, another event. Whoa. Hit. Oh, good trade. Around the middle of the day, we moved on to some attack and defense games. This is one where we had to hold this room down. Oh, watch out, back, behind us. Crossing. Oh, good shot. And finally, we moved over to the attacking team.
Everyone go.
It's thin. I can get up to the door. Here, Michael. You can get right to the door. At that corner. Just stay up against the wall. You see? Is there a guy there?
That's a guy there.
Hold this grenade. I'll give you cover. Then you're doing it. The pin's out, by the way. Be careful.
Where do we need to go?
Can you get a grenade in there?
Go.
Michael, grenade. Go.
He must be dead now. It went off.
Left corner, like 1 meter.
1 meter. Throw it.
Oh, I think I hit him.
Kijk, break. Gaat goed, hè? Oh, wacht even.
Ja, oké.
Ja,
Is okay.
Ja, ik kom even kijken. Ja, je weet het heel goed.
Come.
Sorry man.
Daar was hij.
Hard?
Go to the other side because he saw them.
Okay.
Yeah, right, like left, right.
Yeah,
Right away,
they're
the left.
back left.
Push open.
Okay.
1, 2. Look left, left door, left down.
Got one. Michael, push it out of the way. I'll run in. Push it out of the way. Oh, sorry. sorry. Yeah, I think area is clear. Go, don't stop. Banana! Are you hit? Hey. Hey. You hit? Okay. Oh! Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed this gameplay. Now for how you guys are going to win this shotgun. Number 1, you got to watch my video and count how many grenades I threw. And number 2, you got to hop over to Clean Shot's channel, watch his video, and count how many grenades he threw. Put those together, those two numbers. If it's 2 and 3, together that's 5. I can go over others, but that's too long. And put it in the comment section of whichever video, and you'll be entered for a chance to win this sick shotgun. We'll message you on YouTube. What do you want to do? Like a week? A week, and then we'll announce.
A week. Yeah,
a week. You got a week. We'll have it for a week, and that's all. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you check out Clean Boys' channel, and we'll see you on the next one. I forgot to reload. Shit. Yeah.